to the Double Horse Telecontrol Toy World. Here are all the cool telecontrol planes, cars, and ships. Burn your passion. Double Horse. Look, this is the Double Horse number 9093 helicopter. Distinctive appearance. A round head with bulging eyes, just like a dragonfly. It has an excellent sense of direction. Inside the head are the brain, the controller and the power source, battery system. The head is not only beautiful, but also crash-worthy. The propeller is the strong support for all kinds of maneuvers. It has an accurate radian. It can control all directions accurately. Let's have a look at its control system. Left, right, up, down, turn, steering system. Okay, time for a go now. Fly the plane in a spacious area and avoid strong winds and bad weather. Ready? Go! Move! Turn left! Zoom low! Circle! Dive! Turn right! Land! That's the one! The number 9093 helicopter! Number 9080, Air Mars, is the model of the Double Horse family because it has star power. The head is designed on the principle of hydromechanics. The combination of the 4 main rotating airfoils on a balancing pole is one of the world's most popular models. It adds greater stability in flight. The rigid and elastic connecting pole ensures directional precision and high speed. The single longitudinal rotating airfoil on the tail challenges your remote control level and ability. The control system consists of accelerator joystick, directional joystick, accelerator vernier, and flap vernier. Air Mars. Let's have a try. Move. Turn left. Zoom low. Circle. Dive. Turn right. Land. Side fly. Air Mars, the aerobatic ballet dancer. Soar in the sky. Double Horse. Here comes the Double Horse number 9081 helicopter. Number 9081 comes from Bird Bionics. Its head is just like a bird's head. It has the most advanced twin screws and a round tail. Its control system has vernier units for acceleration and both directional and back and forth movement. More definition, more perfection. Okay, let's give it a try. Move. Turn left. Zoom low. Circle. Dive. Turn right. Land. Overturn fly. The one to choose. Double Horse number 9081. Soar in the sky. Double Horse. Helicopter number 9092 is the lightest one. It's light and highly sensitive to airflow, so it's just perfect to fly indoors. Its propeller is designed to be a rotor with upper and lower rotating airfoils. There is a rotating wing attached to the tail, which provides more stability. The head uses EPS, and it looks just like the eyes of a dragonfly. It's a great choice for beginners because its control system is simple. Let's try. If you are a beginner, better fly the helicopter low to prevent crashing. But you don't have to be overcautious. You can reassemble number 9092 with spare parts for those damaged ones. When you know its performance well and control the direction skillfully, you can boldly fly your helicopter. Take off, turn left, turn right, climb, overturn, fly. Number 9092, the best choice for indoor flight. Soar in the sky, double horse. Soar in the sky, double horse.